Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why Russia is not rich. We'll explore the key factors contributing to its economic situation. First, understand that Russia's economy is largely dependent on exporting natural resources, particularly oil and gas. This reliance makes it vulnerable to global price fluctuations. We'll also look at how a lack of economic diversification and institutional weaknesses impact its long-term prosperity. Russia's economy is heavily tied to its vast natural resources. Over one-third of its government revenue often comes from oil and gas sales. This dependence means that when global oil prices drop, the national budget and overall economic health suffer significantly. While there's potential in other sectors, like technology or manufacturing, developing these industries to a competitive global standard has proven challenging, limiting broader economic growth. Another critical factor is the impact of governance and the investment climate. High levels of corruption can deter both domestic and foreign investors as they seek stable and predictable environments. A weak rule of law means contracts might not be reliably enforced, adding risk to business ventures. Furthermore, extensive state control over major industries often stifles private sector innovation and competition, which are vital for a dynamic and wealthy economy. Looking ahead, Russia faces several ongoing challenges. International sanctions have placed considerable pressure on its financial system and access to global markets. Additionally, issues like a declining birth rate and the immigration of skilled workers, often referred to as brain drain, pose long-term demographic and human capital problems. These factors collectively make it difficult for Russia to achieve sustained, broad-based economic prosperity. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.